Hey guys, here is a requested video on how I highlight my hair alone at home. Just wanted to let you know I am not a hairdresser. This is just the way that I've been doing it for years. So I usually start on greasy hair. To keep my hair healthy, I try to avoid highlighting my hair often. Therefore, I only use highlights on the top sections of my hair whenever it's needed. I also only highlight up to where my highlights begin. So to highlight my hair, I will use a hair comb, a little bowl to mix everything, and I use the Revlon Frost and Glow highlight box in the color Honey and some foil sheets. Since I won't be highlighting the bottom sections of my hair, I just make sure they're out of the way. Make sure you mix everything very well. It's kind of hard to show you while filming, but basically I start by taking a section in a zigzag line instead of a straight line to avoid any harsh lines when highlighting. It's just another technique that has worked for me to make the highlights look as natural as possible. And as you can see, this is the only part I want to be highlighting. I then take a small section like this and tease it very well to make sure there's no harsh lines when bleaching. I hold the foil using my hair and highlight only the parts that need to be highlighted. I also use my finger to make sure everything is well blended on the top, but I would suggest to use some plastic gloves when doing this step. Again, I repeat the same technique all around the sides of my head. For the top sections of my hair, I take small sections starting from the back, again in a zigzag line. And I repeat the same technique but by placing the foil on the top of my head, making it easier to highlight. Make sure you tease very well the front section because that's the highlights that will be showing the most. And for the final section in the front, I usually part my hair like I usually do and use my finger to highlight only the front. Again, just make sure you use some plastic gloves to do this. And that's it. I wait following the instructions in the box and by opening the foil and checking by myself if it has reached the desired color. To remove any orange tones, I take a shower using a purple shampoo. To help with dryness after bleach, I also use either a leave-in conditioner or a hair oil. let's straighten my hair just to show you a little better how my highlights have turned out. So it's kind of hard to see with the sliding how the highlights are looking, but as you can see, everything is very well blended, and I like how it gives a very natural look, which is what I wanted. And here's how it looks on daylight. As you can see, there's no orange tones. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.